So I'm making eggs, nothing fancy. I haven't cooked in a very, very long time. I eat out a lot, more than I should. I think we're good. Finished my breakfast. Eggs are A+. Hey y'all, I'm back and I'm cooking again. I'm really cooking this time. I'm making some buffalo salmon and some buffalo shrimp. Yay. I want to make this spicy, so Cajun seasoning it is. So this is what I have so far. Jasmine rice for the win. This entire COVID, I legit have been by myself. Well, actually, that's a lie. I've had, like, when I say by myself, I just mean like I haven't been around family or friends. I honestly like adulting and being independent. Sometimes I wish I had just someone there to kind of hold my hand, take care of me, but I think I do pretty good at it. It was supposed to be breaded, and it's not. I just cooked the egg, so total fail. What we got going on so far. Got the rice over there. I haven't graduated yet, so I feel like that's when adulting will really start for me, but I try to grow each year in doing one more thing in adulting. My next goal is to get like my driver's license. Dun, dun, dun. Dun. Got the carrots, got the celery, rice, and then I guess you can call it buffalo salmon, buffalo shrimp. Like I said, this is my first time making this, so please don't judge me. It's not bad. I don't really know what I was expecting it to taste like. It tastes like shrimp with hot sauce on it. Bravo.